Welcome to El Cuyo! Ayan.
You're not taking anything, you're taking us. Not that.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Tulog. Ay, ayan. Maliit lang yung airport niya, pero organized at napakalinis. Ayan. And ayun yung carousel number 4. And I think matututo ako mag-Spanish dito. Waiting for our luggage. Hi. The gate is open already, so we're just waiting na tawagin yung number namin, okay? Group number namin, and then we're on time, thank God. We're on time, yes. We're in group number 6. Okay. See? Ayan. And actually, ito yung gate namin.
We're boarding groups 1 and 2 at this time. Group 2,
Wait.
you're welcome to board for complimentary
No,
tours to
yes,
Miami,
it's
groups 1
here.
and 2.
Yeah.
For this
Wala
segment,
pang
please
tour.
turn off your boarding passengers who are coming through the lane. If you're using a mobile boarding copy, please turn off the brightness on your phone. We do not need any passports open at this time. The Chicago to Miami segment. Group number
Yeah, we're looking for our seat. Hello! Touchdown Miami, and now nasa connecting flight na kami from Miami to Tulum, and the flight will be at 10 o'clock in the morning. So nasa loob na kami ng airplane, thank God we arrived safely, so we'll update you pag nasa Mexico na kami. So mga agents, mga musikanatics, wait kayo ha. Samahan niyo ako sa journey ko ngayon dito sa Mexico. Vacation time. I need to unwind. Thank you. Hi, we're seated now. Ayan. So, it will be like a 4-hour flight from O'Hare to Miami. So, I'll take a nap or sleep actually. Kasi walang tulog sa kagabi. Eh, magpa 5 o'clock na in the morning. So,
And with one for American Airlines
yeah,
flight to Miami, please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small lightweight items.
hi! Touchdown Tulum, Mexico! Bienvenido, Mexico! We arrived safely, so yan. Ayan, papasok na. Excited. Ayan, oh. Konti lang ang tao, pero ano siya, talagang napakalinis. Ayan, organized. Tulum is one of the cities in Mexico. So, ayan. Oh, napakalinis ng airport, pati yung bathroom nila, napakalinis. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda.
That's how bad it was. I saw it was like
Okay,
Just
I got it. Come on.
Don't mix it up with yours. No, great.
Did you get the thing from Tulum there, honey?
yeah, this one is beautiful.
I'll be right on there. Come on, honey, let's go get some.
Hello, we just left the airport of Tulum. At kung makikita nyo talaga, ito jungle ito, and then yung sa gitna parang in-scrape lang para gawing road to the airport. Magpapagasolina lang kami. And then sa mga may nakikita ako mga signage na jaguar and monkeys. Ibig sabihin pwedeng dumaan dito yung mga jaguar kasi nga siya, jungle siya. So kailangan mag-ingat rin. Ayan, magpapagasolina kami. Ang pangalan nito ay Pemex Gasoline Station. Good day! This is Musika World Music at sa ating mga 18s at mga music fanatics. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, and today actually we are on our way to the second stop, Sabana Beach, and this is like 2 hours from Tulum. So come with me with our journeys on vacation, and I'll show you the areas and the locations, and if we have the time to see some cenotes, okay? Ito po yung main road from Tulum going to Valladolid, but we're gonna meet one of my husband's friend. Where is it, my love, that you're gonna see your friend?
She lives in Tulum.
She lives in Tulum.
You have to remember, honey, we're not leaving from Tulum. We're leaving from Akumal.
Oh, I'm so sorry. So we're leaving from Akumal.
Nakumal means beach of turtles in Maya.
Oh, okay. So maraming mga turtles dito sa Akumal. Okay. We just arrived here sa friend ng asawa ko. Dito siya nag-stay sa Ecolum. I'm not sure if this is her property, pero hinihintay lang namin siya. So the gate can be open. So, ayan, ang ganda. And dito marami talaga mga murals, mga paintings yun dyan. And see, kung nature lover ka, this is the place. So this is still Tulum. Okay? Ayan. I hope you're enjoying the view. Mamaya mag-video ako sa loob para makita nyo rin. Ano? Okay. Ayan. So binuksan nyo na yung gate. And mamaya mag-ask lang ako ng permission sa kanya. Oh, wow. Wow, magnificent.
Is this her house?
I don't know if this is her
I don't know.
house or God, this is where she lives.
Oh, this is where she lives.
And then what did she say, my love? Just, oh my goodness, this is beautiful.
Wildlife crossing.
Wildlife crossing. I hope there's no jaguar.
Well, no, there's a jaguar, honey. There's
See?
somewhere around here.
My goodness. Oh, there are houses, my love. Maybe like you wanna rent, and then where is she? Did she say?
Sure, I'll follow her.
What did you say? Oh, that's her car.
Oh, I hope so, honey.
Yeah, I saw her.
See, honey, she probably saw me. She's born an old man.
Okay, my seatbelt. dagat, tapos may isang road lang na maliit. See? Can you hear that? Na, ang mga ibon. Wow. God. Yeah. This is magnificent. You see? This is where her house is. Wow, trees, just to be with the nature. Wow, and you can hear the birds chirping.
Está bellísimo aquí, ¿eh? ¿Y sigues haciendo artesanía?
Wow,
Sí, sí.
tingnan niyo, oh, ang lalaki ng mga puno. Gosh, oh. Ayan. Oh. Talagang covered siya. God. Oh. Kung gusto niyo mag-immerse talaga sa nature, yan, mga ganitong lugar. Hi, ito yung kanyang parang pahingahan dito. And this is talagang jungle siya. Tingnan niyo, oh. And then live by the solar siya. And then very peaceful. And this is actually the way they make itong house, it's parang sa Mayan house siya. Okay, bamboo din. Okay, what my love. Tapos ito may mga mosquito net siya kasi nga yung mga mosquitoes, diba? Kasi nasa jungle siya. Ayan. Wow. Hello mga musicanatics and 18s. We're here now in Valladolid, Yucatan, Mexico. And actually, kararating lang namin. Lagay na namin yung mga gamit namin doon sa hostel. And then, see, at my back, that's the convent. So, mamaya daw, 5:30 bukas yan. So, first thing in order, just to visit the convent and or church. And actually, if you will see this tree, ayan, ang laki-laki niya, oh. Po, siguro more than 100 years yan. Okay. Ito po yung kumbento. Kanina ko malimbang siya. And then, ayan ang parke niya. See? And then, actually pupunta kami ngayon sa isang hotel and restaurant na pag-aari ng friend ng asawa ko. So, it's a surprise visit. Hindi niya alam na papunta kami. Okay? This is Musical World Music. Good morning. Today, nandito tayo sa Valladolid. And yesterday actually, pumunta kami dito sa Yerba Buena to have our dinner. And then today, magbe-breakfast kami ng hubby ko with his friend. So I just want to show you the place kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. Okay? This is the place. Yerba Buena. This is the area. And interesting actually, meron sila dito ng road map kung saan maglalagay ng mga pin yung mga visitor. And actually yesterday, naglagay na ako dito. Ayan. So yung mga visitors dito, wherever they live, naglalagay sila ng pin. So, this is the map of, where's that one? Philippines. Basically, dalawa pa lang ang nakapunta dito. One from Quezon, and I had this one, which is for Naga. Okay, so dalawa pa lang Pilipino ang nakapagbisita dito. Pero if you will see, ang dami-dami na, ayan, ang mga nagbisita dito. Ayan. This is the place. Yerba Buena. This is the area. And interesting actually, meron sila dito ng road map kung saan maglalagay ng mga pin yung mga visitor. And actually yesterday, naglagay na ako dito. Ayan. So yung mga visitors dito, wherever they live, naglalagay sila ng pin. So this is the map of, where's that one? Philippines. Basically, dalawa pa lang ang nakapunta dito. One from Quezon, and I had this one, which is for Naga. Okay, so dalawa pa lang Pilipino ang nakapagbisita dito. Pero if you will see, ang dami-dami na, ayan, ang mga nagbisita dito. Ayan. We are on our way now to the Cenote area. Pero tingnan nyo, kasi I was amazed dito ang mga flowers ng tree. Ayan, it's color orange. Ayan, oh, ang ganda-ganda. Tingnan nyo guys.
Can you take it out?
No. Here, see. You see, oh. Ang ganda talaga niya. Very refreshing sa mata. Malaking kahoy siya, and then may mga bulaklak na color orange. See? Ayan. Oh. Diba? Oh. I don't know what is the name of the tree, but talagang...
Could it be bougainvillea?
No, it's not bougainvillea, my love. See? We arrived in Cenote, Suha. Okay, so we're going inside.
Buenas tardes. Sí, son tardes, ¿eh?
Yes, it's afternoon. Okay, so this is the third road going to Cenote, Suha.
I hope this place is, changed.
Yeah, there's a shower. I just say, yeah, good. There are only 4 cars, so meaning few people only. Very good.